Hi, in today's video we will learn and make the rotated circle animation with prototype in Figma. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first is type, and by the way the short key of typing is T. Okay, after typing go to Chrome browser and we will type long dash, alright. I will click this one and then I will go to long dash text. I am copying this long dash with Ctrl C and now I will close all Chrome windows. Now here in Figma file, the long dash I copied, I will paste it in the end of the text 3 times, alright? In the start of this text, we will put some emojis by pressing Windows key, including period or full stop in your keyboard in Windows. So let's add this yellow heart emoji 2 times. After adding long dash and emoji, I will go to plugin area and find a plugin called Arc. I simply click this plugin and now it is giving me some options. And I will adjust or set up the circle shape arc. Let's zoom in a little bit. Adjust it till you satisfy. Once I will finish adjusting, I will click apply, alright? You can notice that after clicking apply button, emojis have changed, which is okay. I will now select this group layer, duplicating by using Alt key, move this here and ungroup it by right click of mouse. And after ungrouping, I will select all and will do the outline stroke with right click of mouse. After outline stroke, I will come here and remove these unnecessary things. Actually, I was in need of these spaces, that is why I made dashed lines and heart icons. And from top area, you can see we have option of flatten selection, so I am doing this. And in layer panel, I am locking this layer so my work shouldn't disturb. I come here, select ellipse tool, and here I am creating a circle with pressing Alt and Shift key and adjusting it. I will adjust it till I satisfy. And the only reason to make this circle is to get a circular line. Alright, here I will press Shift X, so this will convert from fill to stroke, alright. I came here in color property and given black color or whatever color you think is good for you. And then I will come here in stroke line property and make it more heavy, giving 3 pixels of line, alright? Now trying to make it center. For now, I think it is little okay. I think we have to make it more thicker. Let's give it the line weight of 4 or 5 pixels. Yeah, I think 4 is fine now. I think we need to adjust this a bit more so this circle's line comes in center. I think this is perfect now, okay? And here I will convert this circular line as outline stroke. I can get this option by right click on mouse, okay? And then I will come here for pen tool, or you can simply press P in your keyboard. Now let's make one rough shape with pen tool. Basically the reason of making this shape is to get a small part of the line from this circle. I am now trying to adjust it, alright? Clicking done button here, pressing Shift X so it will change or swap from line to fill. I think I need to move this shape here a bit. Let me adjust this. Zoom out and see how it looks. I think we have to work more on it, so double click this shape and from here this edge I am now trying to adjust it so we can get proper shape of line, alright? Okay, so I am clicking done here. Now selecting both layers, and here from the top area I am simply clicking the intersect, and now I got this shape, alright? I will go to plugin area and find the plugin called SVG repo. And here in search area I will simply write the word heart. And it will give us many icons. Let's find a good one here. Okay, so I got this one and simply dragging this icon here, alright? And after this, I will now make this icon as component, okay? Dragging this components instance here by holding Alt key. I will make it smaller with scale tool, which you can select from top or simply press K from your keyboard. And now I will move this to here and now will rotate it by selecting it from the edge, okay? Now trying to adjust it. Let me make it a bit more smaller. Little more adjustment. Duplicating, move here while holding the Alt key. make sure that it is in the circle, okay? And also make sure that this layer is unlocked, so I am unlocking this layer, alright? Let me move it here so I get more room. Selecting this layer, go into my color library and now applying a good gradient here. Just wait for a few moments and it will show here. Okay? Selecting layer copy properties by using Ctrl-Alt-C. Now I will select this layer and will press Ctrl-Alt-V for paste properties. We'll select both heart icons and we'll do the same paste properties by Ctrl-Alt-V. Alright? I could do all together, but I did separately so you can better understand, okay? And finally, we got this graphics. Now let's make it frame by pressing Ctrl-Alt-G. Now remember that this is our main element, we will rotate this one. I am now renaming it to the main as it is our main thing. Here in main frame, I will again press Ctrl-Alt-G for the frame. Now I will rename it to 01. So we got this frame. Let me move it here so I get more room. Now I will drag and duplicate it here by pressing Alt and Shift key and will press Ctrl-D total 4 times. So we will have total 5 elements or objects, alright? Figma already named these layers with 2, 3, 4 and 5. I will select all and then I will come here and will click on Create Component Set. And then I will rename it to Rotated Text, alright? Now select this layer, go to Prototype and start prototyping. I am ignoring the on-click options for now as I will do it later. Just continue the basic prototyping. And for the last, make prototyping to the first one. Select this main component first and hit enter. In interaction, click on mixed and then where it says the on-click, change it to after delay, alright? Here I will select linear. And here I will keep it 600 millisecond, means 0.6 seconds. Hit enter. Now these will animate 0.6 seconds. And the starting will be the 1 as I want animation to be started quickly. But here the 5th one, when it will come from 5th to 1st, it needs more time. Except the 5th one, all have the speed of 600 milliseconds. So if I multiply 604 times, the answer will be 2400. So I am writing it here, alright? So we did the basic prototype. Let me click on Design tab. And if you see the layers, the frame, we have to work on each frame, not the numbers layer, but the frame called main. So here, number 2, I will select this first, will go to main layer. And now here I will write minus 45 degree for the rotation. And I will do the same method in other components. Here I will write 45 plus 45 is equal to 90, so I will write minus 90 here, alright? And as I said earlier, I will do the same treatment with all components, so I came here and will write minus 135, alright? And in the last component, I will rotate it minus 180 degree. And Figma fixed it by removing minus sign, so it is 180 degree, alright? So all these components will rotate by 45 degree, alright? I will move this here while holding Alt key to get its instance. Now I want to test the prototype, so I will make a frame around it so it will come in the frame, alright? I will click on Prototype tab, click on Flow Starting Point, select this frame and now click Play icon for prototyping. If in Flows, I will click Flow 1. Here you can see the animation. Alright, and if you remember where we put 600 milliseconds, and if you want to play with its speed, you can increase and decrease the amount there. Okay, so hope guys you like this video. If you like, please like my video, share and please subscribe so I can upload more videos. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye and take care.